Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Borrowell. Is Borrowell really free to use? The straightforward answer is yes. Borrowell is free for its core service, getting your credit score and credit report. Borrowell is a Canadian financial technology company that provides users with free access to their Equifax credit score and credit report. You can check your score and report weekly without any charge, and checking it will not harm your credit rating. No credit card or social insurance number is required to sign up for this basic service. So, if it's free, how does Borrowell make money? Borrowell uses the information in your credit profile to offer you personalized recommendations for financial products, such as credit cards, loans, mortgages, and other products from their partners. If you choose to apply for and are approved for one of these recommended products, the partner company, like a bank or lender, pays Borrowell a referral fee. This is how they generate revenue while keeping the core credit score and report service free for users. However, Borrowell also offers a few optional, premium services that do come with a fee. For example, they have programs like Rent Advantage or Credit Builder designed to help you build your credit history, and these usually involve a monthly subscription cost or program fee. These are completely optional, and the fundamental credit monitoring remains free. In summary, accessing your Equifax credit score and report, along with personalized recommendations, is genuinely free on Borrowell. Fees only apply to specific, optional credit building programs they offer. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.